Sunday on the road, window down, blue sky. You said, come and see what the sea left behind. We walked the cliff path, shoes on broken grain. Then the coast opened up like a secret in plain. Stone on stone on stone, all fallen in a row. Old walls hit the tide and let the ages show. Fallen basalt bay, fallen basalt bay. Time made art from ruin, fallen basalt bay. Rough sand on my hand, rough sand on my hand. Smooth stone turned to wonder, rough sand on my hand. The pillars lay down like giants turned to sleep. Hollow pockets cut thin by wind and waving heat. I ran my palm slow over weathered skin. Grit stuck to the rock like the sea had sunk in. Stone on stone on stone, ribbed by salt and years. Every crease and curve pulls a hush from me here. Fallen basalt bay, fallen basalt bay. Time made art from ruin, fallen basalt bay. Rough sand on my hand, rough sand on my hand. Smooth stone turned to wonder, rough sand on my hand. Who knew the broken could look this grand? Who knew the ocean could sculpt by hand? Sun on the hollowed face, wind in the cracks. I stood there smiling and never looked back. Fallen basalt bay, fallen basalt bay. Time made art from ruin, fallen basalt bay. Rough sand on my hand, rough sand on my hand. Smooth stone